Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a giveaway wheel to your Whatnot stream using OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to wheelofnames.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a right panel with a text field. Click on that text field to begin customizing your wheel. Go ahead and delete the existing names that are already there. Then type in your new names in this field. This is where you'll enter all the names of your participants or prizes for your giveaway. Now, at the top of the page, click on Customize. This will open up additional options for personalizing your wheel. Next, click on Appearance at the top. This section gives you control over how your wheel looks, which is important for matching your stream's branding. Navigate to Page Color Background and click the color picker next to it. This allows you to change the background color to something that fits your stream's aesthetic better. Once you've selected your preferred color, click OK in the bottom right to apply your changes. With your wheel customized, it's time to generate a shareable link. In the upper right corner, click Share. A pop-up will appear, so click Continue. You'll need to click Continue again to proceed through the sharing options. Keep clicking Continue until you reach the link section where you can actually copy your wheel's URL. Once you're there, click the Copy Link button on the right side. This URL is what you'll need to display your wheel in OBS. Now, open your OBS application. In the bottom left, navigate to Sources, then click the plus icon and select Browser from the list. A dialog box will appear where you can rename this source. For example, you might call it Giveaway Wheel. After naming it, click OK to proceed. In the next window, you'll see a URL field with some existing text. Delete the existing URL, then paste the browser source URL you copied earlier from Wheel of Names. Below the URL field, set the width to 1920. Then below that, set the height to 1080. These dimensions ensure your wheel displays in full quality. Click OK to add the source to your scene. Now you'll need to crop and resize the wheel to fit your stream layout. To crop out the unwanted parts, hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Then drag the browser source inward. This crops only the wheel portion and removes unnecessary elements from the page. Release when the unwanted parts are removed. Finally, resize the wheel by dragging the corners and reposition it based on your preferences. Place it wherever it looks best on your stream layout, whether that's in a corner or center stage during your giveaway. And that's it. You've successfully added a customizable giveaway wheel to your Whatnot stream using OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.